Most security lineups nowadays look kinda aggressive. So if you're looking for a more friendly and more pleasing to the eye design, Noorio might be perfect for you. Their security system is not just a product, but a complete and comprehensive approach to meeting all your needs. You can get indoor cameras, you can get outdoor cameras, also patio cameras that are specially designed for outdoor environments, smart doorbells, all sorts of sensors and alarms, as well as hub centers to complete your setup. What's more, Noorio not only has strong security features, but more importantly, their devices are also affordable, very convenient and practical too. Noorio promises its customers not only one product at a time, but a complete security system, as I said. A solution that puts home security in your hands anytime and anywhere. So in this video, we will take a look at 4 of their products and explore their system a bit. So let's find out if it's really as good as they say. Got the new drip from Noorio, the T110 indoor pan and tilt cam, the D110 smart doorbell, and the B200 and B210 spotlight cameras. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list a link, the best deals for you. And now, let's check it out. So here we have all the boxes. First of all, let's remove the wrap. So here we have all the front sides. Here we have all the back sides. We have this side and this side. We have the brand on top, the brand on the bottom, and on this one, that's the bottom. So this one will slide out. Same for the doorbell, just like that. And the spotlight cam 1 and second spotlight cam. So here we have all the devices. But before we get to it, let's check out all the accessories. So here we go. We have the indoor cam, the smart doorbell and the spotlight cameras. For the spotlight cameras, there are these ball heads for nice adjustability and they will just screw in. So you mount this to the wall. In here is rubber and this is where the ball head will get clamped onto. Great system. Then we of course have all the mounting hardware, USB-A to USB-C charging cables, and we also have the base right there. And this is a twist lock right there. That's what it looks like. Twist and it's locked. And this base is magnetic. There is a strong magnet in there. As you can see, this won't come out. Really cool idea. Full freedom of motion. And then we of course have all the paperwork, positioning for the hardware and the quick start guide. When it gets to the doorbell, we will get all the installation hardware in the baggies. Beautiful white USB-A to USB-C cable and the brackets for mounting it. This one for angling it and this one for the actual doorbell right there. So like this, when you want to angle it, we also get a positioning sticker and of course the manual right there. And lastly, for the indoor camera, this is always powered through the brick. Here we have all the details, by the way, and we will also get a nice long USB-A to USB-C cable, also screws and dowels, and this additional wall mounting bracket. I love the matte white theme and the coherent design. Even the accessories are beautiful. Done with the unboxing, let's get to my first impressions and then of course to a close overview. So we have 3 balls and the doorbell. So let's remove this cover and check that out. Beautiful. And the back, that's great build quality right there. Then we also have the spot cameras. Nice. Good weight to it. They feel very premium. And the second one, so they do have a resting spot, a resting position like so. And lastly, we have the indoor pan tilt cam. Let's remove that as well. There we go. All right, so it can rotate like that, or actually it's called pan, and it can tilt like that. Oh, nice. With the speaker. So yeah, let's take a close look. Starting with the pan tilt cam, so I guess the port is all the way on the back. So from here to all the way here, a full 360 degrees. And then this one from right here. Oh, and here we can also see the slot for the memory card and the sync button. So from here to here. Oh, that's cute. Check that out. I didn't expect that. That is funny. Privacy mode. Love it. We have it from the top and from the back. Here we can see the speaker. Once more, the USB-C port. And on the bottom, we have the small print, 3 rubber feet. And of course, the locking mechanism and the QR code. And we also have the branding right there. So that's dope. Then let's check out one of these spot cameras. Sorry, I mean spotlight, of course, because they have the LEDs integrated in the front. And down here, the sensors and infrared LEDs. So a shiny black surface on the front side. Then here we have the speaker and all the way around it's like a ball. Beautiful design. And on the back we have the QR code and also a threaded insert, and right here the sync button, and also underneath the rubber flap we have the USB-C charge port, of course.
Welcome to Noorio.
Oh.
Please set up your device in Noorio app.
Oh wow. Also, I guess I pressed the sync button too long, so I turned it on by accident. And lastly, let's check out the doorbell. So beautiful front side right here. That's the button. Oh, that's a nice button right there. I love it. With all the sensors, the camera. Here on the side, we have the brand, and the other side is the same top with the insert for the mounting mechanism. And right here on the bottom, we have the release mechanism. Right there, we have the little tool, and also right here, sync button, charge port. Very nice. Not bad, right? So let's check out the app, set them all up, and then of course test them. As you can see, I have plugged in all the cables. They're getting charged or powered up. The app is Noorio by publisher Noorio, so let's open it up. And first of all, let's create an account. Let's verify the account. Let's go. So now we can sign in, and there we go. So let's check out the app briefly. We have the devices tab. We have the events tab right here, where all the detections will get listed. Then we have the security tab and the automation tab right there. All right, we need to set up the devices first. And by the way, here we also have settings and stuff like that. So let's go. Give it all the permissions, of course. And let's start with this one. We will get a nice tutorial video. Next, living room is fine. And we need to press the sync button.
Welcome to Noorio. Please set up your device in Noorio app.
Next, give it all the permissions once more. And it's now connecting over Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. All right, let's wait for that.
Connected to Wi-Fi successfully.
Good stuff.
Device was added successfully.
All right, it will now do the calibration run. Got it. We don't need to mount it. Next, next, and got it. Okay, let's get another device. Let's do the doorbell next. Once again, the tutorial. That's great. Front door, give all the permissions. So it's not flashing blue, so let's press the sync button. Got it. Connect.
Device was added successfully.
All right, it's getting easier, device after device. Got it. Do it later, and let's get another one. Yeah, this one. And once more. All right, so as you saw, that was super easy and straightforward. So, and there we go. Later, and as you can see now on the dashboard, we have 3 devices. So let's check it out. Pan and tilt camera. Let's connect to it. So we have the little tutorial guide right there. Got it. And now check this out. We can control it over the app, of course. We can make it rotate wherever we want to. It is super responsive as well. Check it out. Not bad. Hello. So let's make it move around a bit more. And once again, 360 degrees, freedom of motion. Awesome. Check this out. And all the way around. And you can also wall mount it. Super versatile. So right here we can take a video. Right here we can take a picture. Check this out. We have the events mode right there. And as you can see, we already have quite a few of them stacked up. Now when we go back to the events right here, next, got it, confirm. So here we can see all the events right there. And I have been spotted by all the cameras a few times by now. We have the video resolution down here, 2K, that's best. That's of course what we want. We can unmute the sound as well. Not too bad, great microphone in there. And we can also sound an alarm. Right here we can switch to the night vision mode, and as we can see we have the infrared LEDs in here, got it, and here we also have the timeline with the events. We can do a 360 automated travel round look. Right here we can calibrate it, and right here we can set preset positions. Super handy. So let's pick this one, and then over there the mirror 2, and just like that we can switch between position 1 and position 2. Let's of course take a video. Onboard audio right here, and this is of course the normal color mode. And now let's turn off all the lights. And this is the colored night mode right there, not too bad. And now let's turn on the night vision. And now check this out. Those infrared LEDs are so nice. So there we go. It is completely dark, but thanks to the IR illumination, you can see every detail. You can see my face and all the details in the room. So great little camera right there. So let's move on to the backyard camera. Next. And let's adjust it. Strong magnet right there. So that's me once more. It's fairly similar. We can take videos, pictures, and we can also call the camera to establish a two-way communication. Then we have the events right there. We can also unmute the sound. We can also sound the alarm. And with this one, we can turn on the spotlight. Let's check the settings. And for all these devices, we have smart detection features, tons of video settings and power management, all that good stuff. Here with this one, with all the lights going. Also, we have the onboard audio right there. So as you can hear, sounding A-okay. Once more, let's turn off all the lights. It is completely dark. As you can see, the night vision is still doing a great job. The colored night vision even, and now of course with the infrared LEDs, wow, that is looking great. It will also adjust the brightness, and I love that you can see all the blood vessels in my arm. That is so cool to see. Anyways. Little reminder right there, but that's fine of course. And now let's switch it up to the spotlight and it will go back to the color video vision. And as you can see, great image quality, and the spotlight is quite bright as well. So it will illuminate the whole room, and it will also illuminate your walkway if you decide to put it somewhere, you know, on a walkway. Great image quality once more. And lastly, let's go back to the dashboard and now let's test the smart doorbell. Next. Got it. And now check this out. So this time I will grab a video first with the night mode, and we can clearly see the LEDs right there, looking really cool, and the illumination is great. Now let me turn on my lights again. And as you can see, it will switch to the normal mode and the video quality is looking great. And down here we have the same settings, night vision right there, but let's turn it off again. Nice smooth transition, by the way, between the modes. We have the bell. But before we get to this feature, let's go back. I will install the doorbell, of course, so I will see in a bit. So check this out. I have it right here. I think that's the perfect height. So let's close the door. So check this out. That's what it looks like. So let's take a video. Let's sound the alarm. Oh my goodness. And here we have the night vision right there. Okay, that's no difference. Let's turn on the light. So that's the normal mode right there with the light on. Great image quality, it's looking so nice. And once again, now we can switch to the night vision mode and back to the regular mode. And now let's demonstrate. So I'm just a regular visitor. I can press the bell. Alright, and now on my phone, I can accept or answer the call. And just like that, we have a two-way communication even when you're not at home. Really cool. Yeah, and as you saw, with just a few clicks, you can set up a whole security setup for your home. It's super easy. The devices look great and the image quality is superb. And also the app with all the events and AI recognition, top notch. So my verdict for the complete Noorio system is definitely a big, massive thumbs up. And lastly, let's talk about the best features, starting with the B210 spotlight camera. As you can see, I have mounted the base plate right here. And as you saw, it has a super strong magnet. So after charging the camera, you can just pop it in there. It will be held in place in any position, thus giving you complete mounting freedom. You can set it up perfectly in any angle and any rotation you want. And it has a small footprint, so you can fit it into corners easily. Complete mounting freedom in any regard. Moving on to the T110. So here we have the AI detection settings. And as you can see, it will support human recognition and also pet recognition. You can dial it in separately, customize it to your needs. You can change the sensitivity and the notification settings. And best of all, you can even tell your pet to get out of there.
Hey, get out of there.
And of course, it can also track you or your pets. And best of all of that works without a base station. And this sets it apart from the competition. All of these AI detection features are onboard features. And this also goes for the D110. We have the same settings and then some, because this also can detect parcels. You can set the sensitivity as well. And when a package gets delivered or removed, you will get a notification. No base station needed. It's onboard. All of the AI stuff is integrated, so Noorio delivers outstanding capabilities and a great system all in all. So as you saw, all these devices work together seamlessly. The build quality is great, and I like the mentioned friendly look the most. They just look nice, well-rounded and sweet. The app ties everything together perfectly. It's very comprehensive and there are tons and tons of different settings and customization options available that you can choose from, and setting it all up was easy and fast too. Everything is just well thought out and easy to handle. And not only does the hardware look good, but the video quality is also top notch, as you saw. And the best is that you can get started with just one device, for example, one or two products, that's fine, like this little cutie right there. And over time you can expand your setup and security system. So all in all, a great system. I can highly recommend it, and all the Noorio products are definitely trippy. Check out the product links in the description. I will link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy it, and I will see you soon.